glorious Friday morning here at Brimfield, and I am actually still right at the opening to Brimfield Auction Acres J&J's field. You see the park sign right behind me. It's right at the fork of the road as you enter in where the road splits, where you saw the crowds coming in at the live coverage I did just a little bit ago at 8 a.m. when the field opened, and I'm already super enjoying conversations with folks out on the field here. We're going to go right into the space that's right here as you enter and talk to Frank at 21 Tables. You are going to love his work, and I want to give him an opportunity to tell us about it. So I'm going to turn around here and we'll go back and meet Frank and get a look at his amazing work. 1 second. Alrighty, so there we are coming in from the road, and we're going to come back and find him. Here he is. Over here. I kind of want to give you a preview peek, but I think we're going to go right back and meet you first. So, Frank, tell us about yourself.
Good morning, Jenna. Well, I make custom-made tables. Everything I make has something repurposed in it.
Yeah.
For instance, this is an old farm table, which is collapsible. Then we have a 1920s craftsman workbench. Probably was mail ordered back in the 20s and shipped out here, and then somebody used it and gave it lots of love and attention.
Yeah.
And now it comes to get repurposed to be in somebody's house.
That's great. Tell us about the piece here right next door here.
This one is
Yeah.
1940s, 1950s architect's drawing table, and it adjusts very nicely.
Oh, look at
Cast iron
that.
original hardware, and adjusts to be level on the other side.
Yeah.
Very nice piece. Again, repurposed and refinished.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yes, very nice.
And this, wow.
1940s, 50s railroad lantern.
Yeah.
I had several of those available.
Now, how about the table and just right in behind here? Yeah.
I manufactured from a 1812 New York City jail cell wall. The actual grate was between two cells, and made two tables from it. And there's a piece of glass will go straight on the top, which will deliver with the brand new with the table.
Look at this. And what kind of glass do you put in there?
3/8 inch
Yeah.
beveled edge glass, and it'll be the same.
That's fantastic. I love this.
Yeah. Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now, you were telling me, let's walk towards the front. You just gave me a quick little comment about one of the tables, and I want to hear a lot more.
Sure.
Yeah. Look at this.
This is an Andrew Carnegie table, steel base with copper and brass inlays.
Yeah.
Wood rope on the top of the table in oak. It's marked with Carnegie on the side, and I'll show you that.
Yeah.
Side.
Where is it?
Let's
find it. Other side. Let's find it. Look at this. Gasp.
Right.
Is it here?
Wow.
Oh, I do see it, Carnegie.
See it?
Yep,
Yeah,
I see
Carnegie.
it.
Yeah, very cool. Yeah, if you can
Look.
get it in there, probably not going to show.
Yep, I
Yeah.
can see it.
But it's marked, yeah. It's actually marked on all four sides. So, Carnegie was a philanthropist in his last 20 years of life.
Yeah.
He donated enough money to open up 4,500 libraries in the United States. And this is one of his library tables that I got out of one of the libraries he donated money for and opened up. Yep.
So the top is original then?
Oh yes,
Yeah.
100% original, everything. Oh sure, yeah. Although
Great.
I have refinished the top, but the
Yeah.
actual original, everything.
Yes.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
it's a library table. It's actually 31 inches high, which distinguishes it from a dining table, which is 30 inches high.
It's
Yeah.
captivating. And the right behind you then, this one's very different from the one we just looked at.
Correct. This
Yeah.
is made from the old past brass casting pallets
Okay.
from Torrington, Connecticut. When the company went out of business, I bought every piece of wood in the building, and they all had these burns. So I manufacture these custom size to people's requirements.
Well, that's great. So you have your own creations, and then you also do custom orders and custom work.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Correct.
And anything? How about this is really different? We'll just get something entirely different here. Yeah.
It's I call it an economy table.
Yeah.
People like to get in on the ground floor, have an apartment, so I make it smaller.
Yeah.
So it can meet anyone's budget. It retails for around $350.
That's great.
So yeah, it gets people in.
Yeah.
And people like the colours.
Yeah, it's
Everything else. Yeah.
really fun. Great. Well, let's just take a minute here then, and we'll maybe share with them where you're located.
I'm located in Hamden, Connecticut.
Oops, I tried to dial down the light a little bit. There we go.
Located in Hamden, Connecticut. I have a custom workshop there, and I'm at Brimfield 3 times a year in the spring, summer and fall shows at Brimfield Auction Acres.
And so are you always right here?
Always right here.
It's a great
Yeah,
spot.
#1 spot. Correct.
Yeah, it is a great spot.
Been coming here for many years, so I've worked my way up to the front.
Yes.
So yeah, it's been nice.
Beautiful. Well,
Yeah.
you're going to want to come and see these up close for yourself. So we'll invite you to do that here at Brimfield Auction Acres. Come and see Frank at 21 Tables. I'll put the links that I can into the description, and perhaps his card in the comments so you know how to reach him too. And but come and see his work and look for him for sure. Here, reporting here at Brimfield, we're signing off for now. A glorious day. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.